An outlier, in the context of data science, refers to a data point that deviates significantly from the majority of the other data points in a dataset. It is essentially an observation that lies an abnormal distance away from other values, often indicating a rare or extreme occurrence. Outliers can have a major impact on statistical analyses, as they can skew results and lead to inaccurate conclusions if not handled properly. Outliers can arise due to various reasons, such as measurement errors, data entry mistakes, experimental errors, or even legitimate extreme values. It is crucial to identify and treat outliers appropriately to ensure reliable analysis and avoid misleading interpretations. There are different methods to identify outliers. One common approach is using statistical techniques like the z-score or the modified z-score. The z-score measures the number of standard deviations a data point is away from the mean. By setting a threshold, usually defined as 3 standard deviations, data points beyond this threshold can be classified as outliers. The modified z-score is a variant of the z-score that is more robust to outliers. Another approach is the use of visual methods, such as scatter plots or box plots, to identify outliers visually. Scatter plots allow for the observation of data points that are far away from the general pattern of the data. Box plots provide a graphical representation of the distribution of the data, highlighting any points that lie beyond the whiskers of the box. Once outliers are identified, they can be treated in different ways depending on the context and the reason for their occurrence. One option is to remove the outliers from the dataset, assuming they are due to data errors or anomalies. However, caution must be exercised when removing outliers, as they may contain valuable information or be indicative of rare events that need to be accounted for. Alternatively, outliers can be transformed or winsorized. Transforming involves applying mathematical functions to adjust the values of outliers, while winsorizing replaces extreme values with less extreme but still reliable values. These methods help normalize the data and minimize the impact of outliers on statistical analyses. In conclusion, outliers are data points that significantly diverge from the majority of values in a dataset. They can be detected through statistical or visual methods and should be handled carefully to ensure accurate analysis. Identifying and appropriately treating outliers are essential steps in the data science workflow to avoid biased results and misleading interpretations. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.